a topic on grammar, that is articles. Okay. So how many articles we have in English? So we have 3 articles. They are a, and the. Okay. So these are the 3 articles that we have in English, and they play a very important role. So if you see, these 3 articles are divided into 2. Okay. So a and an are indefinite article. Okay. A and an are indefinite article, and article the is called as definite article. So a and an, why they are called as indefinite articles? You see, we use it before like the vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, we use it before the vowel sound, not A, E, I, O, U letters. Okay, yes, and definite article the. Why the is called as definite article? If you see, so wherever we particularly or specifically mention about a person or a place or anything which is unique, we use the. So definite article is something which we specifically mention about. The sun, the earth, yes, the person in blue shirt, the man in blue shirt, the man in blue shirt, okay, he is my father, for example. So there, the man, okay, so it is definite, the man in blue shirt. So the man who is wearing a blue shirt is my father. So specifically when we mention about a person, we use the. So the definite article is always used before a specific person or place or thing, and we use the before, like you have so many things where we are supposed to use the. So if you see, we use the before all the unique things and things that exist in world. The sun, yes, and before all the book names we use the definite article the. The Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Quran, yes. And the newspaper names, if you see, we use definite article, the Hindu, the Indian Express, yes, and name of the mountains, name of the sea, season, all these things we are supposed to use the definite article, the before the name. So the Indian Ocean, the Mount Everest. So wherever you write, when mentioning about the name of it, definitely you are supposed to use the before those. Okay. So that is what the definite article means. Specifically when we are talking about something, we must use the. If you are not specific about describing a thing or a person, you cannot use the. Okay. Then the next is a and an. So the a and an we use before the vowel sound, as I told you. A, E, I, O, U, the sound. So most of these letters A, E, I, O, U, it gives the a sound. Okay. An apple. Okay. An apple. So we use and before the vowel sound. We use and before the vowel sound. So we have a and, 2 indefinite article, whereas we use and before these vowel sound. And where do we use a? We use a before the nouns. Okay, we use before the nouns. A car. Yes, a car. We can also call the car. So if specifically if I say that the car that I bought last week, okay, so there is a difference between using a car, okay, and the car. So a and an, the use of a and an is, and we use before the vowel sound and a before the nouns. So it depends on the numbers. And so if you see, most of the time we get confused using the simple article in our writing, a and the. So these are the 3 articles that we have in English, just 3 articles. But whenever we write, we use the in irrelevant places and before irrelevant place. For example, if I just want to explain, so A, I, O, U. Vowel sound we are supposed to use, and as I mentioned earlier. So where? So university. Okay, university. It starts with U, but it does not sound. It is U. So the exception is when you have the sound U. Why So there we are not supposed to use an. It is a university. It is not an university. It is a university. Okay. So when you have the U sound before a word, we are not supposed to use an. We are supposed to use a. Yes. So just an explanation about the rules actually about where and how we should use this article. Yeah. So article is divided into two, definite and indefinite, and you should definitely know where this a and an is used. Only then your writing will be without any grammar error. Okay. So the next rules of the articles we'll see in the next class with an exam exercise. Thank you.